Okay, so I just want to film a simple solution here. If you put this type of a bolt on this type, or this type of a bolt on this type of a nut, you're going to save yourself a lot of problems on the corner of a Jeep. The reason for that is this hex head does not like to fit up under here. So you can see right here that you don't have a lot of room for a hex head. So that's why I use this. And then the other thing is, when you come in from the other side, a lot of times your socket's going to slip off a traditional nut with a traditional height. Not so with this. It goes all the way up into the frame. So in other words, I can almost show you here. My hex head is right here, and put my hand through. So my hex head is right here, right there. So it's right there. You can see my hand. That hex head is right there. So easy to get a socket on. So much easier. So when you take this Jeep out, do that, and also pre-bolt your bolts in, your studs, and then all you got to do is just slide that skid plate up over it. You don't have to get up in here because you've already got these bolted on and bolted down. So it's just a matter of bringing a nut down. So much easier, because the next time you take this out, it's going to be a pain because you just can't get in here, especially the other side with a filler. You can't get a wrench, you can't get anything. We were lucky we got this out.